Hello, my name is Saul with Westplay. Westplay has been a trusted name now in the recreation solutions for nearly a decade. And today I'm excited to share about a wooden playground equipment that we have, more specifically on the sliding cabin that is 5 feet tall. We do have another version that is 3 feet tall, but I'll focus on the one that is 5 feet here, just for a couple of reasons that I'll share below. So here, like I mentioned, age group 2 to 5, but 5 to 12 have a great time as well here. We have a structure that is 12 feet by 15 feet, and it does need some clears around it and safety surfacing. Basically 26 feet and a half by 18. This is the top view of it. We're gonna have CAD files available as by request. So here we have a nice, beautiful structure that offers, climbing, crawling, slide, socializing up top. A capacity of 5 children up here, but there can be more activities down below as well, which I'll share here some below. Another cool piece here about our wooden playground is that they're very customizable and easy to customize too. I'll show some below. But a good reason to go with wooden playground. You get it's all made out of 100% BC wood, made in Canada for Canada to withstand Canadian winters. You get decades of durability. So the default option here for climbing is stairs, but you can have this log ladder. You can have a different type of stairs. We have the climbing wall, a net climber, and a very loved option is this log climbers. I personally like it too. I like the natural static of it. And something cool you can do is you can have other activities on this. So yes, you do have a slide and cabin, and below you can do, some lunch counters or yeah, you can have this talk tube that will you speak here, then you listen over there. There's some sitting options like this swing set here that we have. So kids have really enjoyed this piece, and of course, our clients really like this sliding cabin. It can be mounted in ground and also on slabs, so a nice, easy fit up, up in a rooftop, or it could be for a park and playground, for a school, for a daycare, for these kind of areas. A really good investment for your play space. Here we have sample photos. Here at the back we have the top cabin that we see here. Okay, I have a photo here of how these things come into shipment. Here we have a combination of a couple pieces, but yeah, they all come pre-assembled. Another nice feature to have during the installation for these structures is very nice, very simple, very quick. It goes up very fast. You have the option of stainless steel slide or another. Here we have a sample project where we did a nice little circuit. Yes, you can have multiple points of entry. You can have, a tire, I believe. Sorry, I might have skipped it here. Uh, on the going up, yes, a tractor tire to climb up. This, double slide ramp. I didn't know how you go down on this, but my daughter figured it out. She was 5 at the time, and she sat down here, throws legs first, and then goes the arms, and they slide down like a little spider thing, and then she really enjoyed it. And kids throughout Canada will too. You got your fighter pole that you can add it as another exit point. A nice direct, another cool upper body equipment exercise that people can do. Um, and adding these other pieces, you make things more accessible for children in wheelchairs. You have this little, it shows here as a swing, but it's more of a bench. It does have a chain here down below. So the seat does move, but it's not like a swing where you need to have clearance and non-encroachment zone. It's a nice seat that offers, the feeling of balancing as well that children really enjoy. Wooden playground is a good eco-friendly materials made out of cedar wood, built to last. And the natural look of them is just so. It's just a really good feature to go, a good decision to make for your space. Okay, so here's a nice little combination what we did for playground. You got the climbing, the default option, but they wanted another entry point with a net. You got the casket. You could do so many things, even though this needs is clearance space. You can make a circuit, and we have trusted advisors to help you design your space however you want it. But yes, I wanted to take the time today to speak about the sliding cabin. Very customizable, easily customizable. But yeah, if we can do a nice simple piece for a small area, or you could build another beautiful circuit that the kids will really enjoy. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, westplay.ca. We have info at westplay.ca as well. And we will be happy to serve and be of service to both you, your community, the children. And yes, looking forward to hearing from you. Have a good one. Goodbye.